Hey fam, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about how to apply your cheap face creams. Okay, I'm going to be showing you the best way to use your affordable brightening face creams so you don't have any side effects. It's your creams like Gluta-C, BB Clear, any golden face, any lightening face cream you are using. There's a way you're going to use it. If you go out in the sun, you're going to get sunburn, or it's going to start over lightening your face, and you don't want that. So I got this question like a very long time ago, and it actually skipped my mind to do that video. Somebody asked how can she use Gluta-C face cream without reactions. Okay, so that is what this video is all about. Hey fam, please, I need a little favor from you. Just help me to like this video and subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Okay, if you have subscribed, please just click the like button and always like my videos. It helps YouTube to push my channel and also know that my content is relevant and all of that. So if you know my videos has impacted you in any positive way, just drop a like and drop a comment. Okay, if you don't know what to say, just drop an emoji for me, and I would really appreciate your love. Thank you for all the support. Thank you to all my new subscribers, old subscribers. I see you all and I love you all. And compliments of the season, we are getting to December. Before you apply your face cream, your lightening face cream, okay, this does not apply to normal face creams like maybe you're using Nivea, all those normal face cream doesn't have anything to do with lightening. But if you're using lightening face cream, whitening face cream, please, you need to follow this step. Okay, the first one is to use your aloe vera gel on your face first. That is the first step. So and that is what I'm actually going to show you right now. Okay, so just apply your aloe vera gel like this. Okay, so when I'm applying my aloe vera gel, I am a bit generous with it. So aloe vera gel is very good for your face. A lot of people say when they use aloe vera gel it darkens their face and all that. It's either two things. It's either you got fake aloe vera gel or your skin is sensitive to aloe vera gel. Yeah, one of these, but most this thing is that you got fake aloe vera gel. I have a shot on this channel when I bought this one. When I unboxed it, you're going to see how sealed it is. So try to get your aloe vera gel sealed. Don't buy those ones that are opened, okay, because it can easily be pirated. So after applying my aloe vera gel, you are going to allow it to dry. Okay, you are going to allow it to dry up. It doesn't take time, it's actually fast. So while we are waiting for that, the next thing you can do, okay, is to use a lotion, a very soft lotion. So let's say you have a very light lotion like this is Johnson's baby lotion. This is what I used to use on my face. If you're not new to my channel, this has been my face cream for the longest time, like since this year. This is November shooting this video. I don't know when this video is going up, but this is November shooting this video, and since January this has been my face cream. I have not used any lightening face cream. I just got this pure carrot last month, okay, and I can count how many times I've used it. I use it only at night. All right, so this has been my face cream. So if you're someone that uses your lightening face cream in the morning, like you have a particular face cream and it's lightening that you use in the morning, before you apply that your lightening face cream, and maybe you don't have your aloe vera gel, get a very light cream. Okay, it can be a vitamin C face cream like this one here. Okay, a vitamin C face cream or something like this that doesn't contain anything, but let it be a base on your skin, and then you are going to apply your lightening face cream. It is going to help to reduce the effects of the face cream. So if it's something that is supposed to be super potent, remember, anything lightening or whitening that is fast result, sharp result, that as it's sharp like that is how it's going to sharply scatter your skin, spoil your skin barrier and all of that. So what this does is to slow down the process. So this is going to act as a barrier between your skin and the lotion. Okay, so instead of it to do sharp movement in 1 week, it can take 3 weeks before your face starts getting, and it's going to help you to maintain your color. Okay, so it's either you use the aloe vera gel method or you use this method. Okay, So the next thing I want to talk about for your lightening face cream is, if it is possible for you, do not use your lightening face creams in the morning unless you use your sunscreen. See, this thing is very important. If you are using anything on your face, make sure in the morning, make sure it is not lightening. You can use your lightening soap, that one doesn't have any effects. Okay, you can use your lightening face, your lightening soap in the morning on your face. On your face. But you see your cream, that one that is going to be permanent on your face, that you are going to use and go out and the sun is going to hit you directly, save it for the night if you can't. Okay, some people like, you know, using lightening products all around. That's okay. Okay, but just you can reduce it or get a sunscreen. It is not even negotiable. That is why you're having that dark eye circle. That is why you're having sunburn. That is why you're having all those things on your face. It is the sun hitting those things, hitting those lightening ingredients on your face. You're just going to react very madly. And the result is not very pleasant. So just like I mentioned, I use this only at night and I don't use it every day. I don't use it every day. I am fair. Am I fair? I'm yeah, no, I'm not light. There's a difference between fair complexion and light. So I would say I am fair in complexion. Okay, and I use this to maintain my face. Okay, so anytime maybe I've been exposed to the sun too much and all of that, I just use this like 3 times in a week. But aside from that, sometimes I go 2 weeks and I don't use this thing on my face. Most times I just use aloe vera gel on my face. So if you have serum, toner and all of that, that's a plus. But what I'm giving here today is a basic face necessity, which is after washing your face, you should go in with a soft face cream without any lightening ingredient, and then you go in with your lightening face cream, or use aloe vera gel. Which one? So this is what I'm going to be using. Okay, as I said, I'm still trying out these things. I have little dark spots on my face and I don't use them every day. See, stuffs like this are very potent. Okay, if you use something like this on your face, don't use it every day. Okay, don't use it every day, and don't use it the day you know you will be going out in the sun. Okay, this is actually daytime. I'm using it because I know I'm not going out. Okay, if I was going out, I wouldn't use it. And if I'm using this, remember, this is a steroid. Anything in a tube, not like anything, majority of things in tubes like this, they are steroids, or they contain steroids. Okay, don't apply them here. Okay, even if you have dark eye circle, this is not what will remove it for you. It is mild product that is going to remove your dark eye circle. So don't use lightening products on that part of your eye. They are very sensitive areas of your body. Okay, which if you apply excess lightening products that place, it is going to affect it, and even as your age goes down, it's going to, you know, become worse. So I just basically use this thing just around my face. Okay, as you can see, it leaves white cast. So normally I don't apply this much, but because I am filming, I don't have a mirror, like I can't really see. I'm just trying to apply it and I know it's going to touch the places I want it to touch. Okay, so if you have something like this, please, this is not a face cream. So people use these things as face cream. This is not a face cream. Okay, you can just use it to treat dark spots, for lightening up dark spots, any dark area on your face. So I think I have said everything I wanted to say in this video, and that will be it for it. Thank you for joining me, and remember to like this video. Please remember to like this video. Okay, and I'm going to see you on our next one.